Hello, good day and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with Biology Past Question 2019, working on question 3. The structural similarity between Paramecium and Amoeba is A. 1 food vacuole, B. 2 contractile vacuole, C. 2 nuclear, D. 1 gullet. Now, before you can answer a question like this, you should be very conversant with the structural capabilities of Paramecium and Amoeba. Now, let's look at the Paramecium first. Now, Paramecium. Now, the Paramecium has 2 contractile vacuoles, it has 2 nuclei, that's a macro and a micro nuclei, making it 2. Also, a Paramecium has 1 gullet and 1 food vacuole. Now, let's look at an Amoeba. Now, an Amoeba is a very simple cell. So, an Amoeba has just 1 contractile vacuole. It has 1 food vacuole. It has 1 nuclear, and it doesn't have a gullet, no gullet. Now, based on the features I listed, the only similarity between an Amoeba and a Paramecium is the food vacuole. They both have 1 food vacuole. So our answer here is A, 1 food vacuole. Thank you and God bless you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.